Are you a worrier? Do you struggle with overthinking, negative thoughts, ruminating, and always running to the worst case scenario? If so, I've got an amazing, super simple technique to share with you now that you can use in those moments of worry that's really going to calm you back down again, and all you need is a pen and paper.
So you're going to create 2 columns, one titled fear and one titled facts. And then in the fear column, you're going to write down what is that worst case scenario that's making you spiral? You know, what is it that's causing you anxiety? Maybe perhaps your friend's been a bit quiet with you and immediately you're going to, oh my God, they must be upset with me. So you'd write that down in your fear column. And then what happens is often we go to these worst case scenarios, and then due to something called confirmation bias, our brain looks for evidence as to why they must be true, why they must be the case. So what the key is here is to actually switch that round and look for evidence as to why it's not the case. So in your facts column, you're going to start looking for rational, black and white evidence as to why actually you could be wrong. So this is brilliant because not only does it get all these worries and anxieties out of your head, which then makes them feel a lot lighter, but also it really starts to shift your perspective to look for reasons why actually you don't need to be anxious.
Now, a recent research study showed that 91% of things participants worried about never actually happened, and the ones that did weren't anywhere near as bad as they predicted. So the great thing about this little technique is it allows us to rationalize what's actually going on or what will actually happen, and therefore, rather than considering the worst case scenario and worrying about that, we actually consider the likely scenarios, which can really reassure us as to what probably will be the case.